Here po. Or pwede po ba ako makainin ng isang masigabong palakpakan na may kasama iyawan? Yan, before we start, sino po dito muna yung mga relatives po ni Ivy?
Yes, present!
So, may simple question lang po tayo. May you describe Ivy po in one word? Yan. Start po na kay Daddy. Sir, pwede po ba i-describe ito? Pwede po ba natin i-describe si Ivy in one word, sir? One word lang po. Sige, sir. Kaya niyo po yan.
Ganda.
Anong cute? Magandang cute po, sir. Magandang cute. Mabait, tapos ano po? Yakin. Yan. Kay ate naman, ate, pwede po ba describe si Ivy in one word? Adorable.
Wow!
Adorable! Adorable na yun ah. Ang husay ka doon. Stayable yun. Okay, yan. Si Mami.
Lola. Yan ang Lola.
Ayan si Lola, yan. Lola, pwede mo ba describe si Ivy in one word?
Siya po ay maldita.
Maldita! Kung may positive tayo, meron tayong mabait, meron tayong adorable, meron din tayong maldita. Yan, Mami, negative side din pala si Ivy. But, now, this is the moment we all waiting for. Yeah. Yeah. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Today we are gathered here, nandito po tayong lahat, not just to celebrate any ordinary day, but a very special milestone. The first birthday of a beautiful little girl who has brought so much joy, laughter, and love into our hearts. So without further ado, let us all give a big round of applause and joyful cheers as we welcome the stars of today's celebration, our adorable baby girl, the princess of the day, together with their proud and loving Mommy Chong and Daddy Jay.
Yay!
Saan mo tayo lahat? Okay, ayan lang, Mommy and Daddy, kayo naman po. May you describe Ivy po in one word, sir?
Hindi. Ayun. Yun yung anak ni Jobel.
Suplada. Suplada. Si Lola Maldita. Si Daddy Suplada. Wow, ng mga baby na iyan. Okay, Mami, may you describe Ivy po in one word?
Lovely.
Yan. Lovely and suplada daw. Sabi ni Mami and Daddy. Yan. Yan. Once again, let's just give a round of applause for Mommy and Daddy together with our birthday celebrant, Ivy! Yan. Palakpakan mo po tayo dyan. Yan.